Did you ever imagine that doing your taxes could help you buy new vehicles for your business? Well, Section 179 of the tax code is one of the best deductions out there for small businesses. It stimulates the economy while potentially reducing your tax cost on a new qualifying vehicle. Each year, that means more capital for your business. Here's how it works. You may deduct up to $25,000 for new, larger trucks, such as the Chevrolet Silverado, the Colorado, or the Express Cargo Van. You may also use this tax deduction for new SUVs, such as the Tahoe, the Traverse, or the Suburban, and for crossover vehicles like the Equinox or the Trax. Your vehicle needs to be used for business at least 50% of the time. The greater the percentage, the more you may be eligible to deduct. For 2019, the limit is $25,000, but watch for any future increases. Congress has raised the limit to $500,000 in the past. Imagine the effect that could have on your fleet. You can take the write-off until the end of the year. Don't miss this opportunity to lower your bottom line vehicle cost and improve your tax liability. Come see us at Wild West Chevrolet. Your vehicle must be purchased and on the road no later than December 31st to take advantage of these tax savings. We recommend that you see your CPA for any specifics regarding your own tax deductions. Come see us at Wild West Chevrolet. What's your number?